Good afternoon or good day to everybody. This is actually the continuation of our discussions last time. So, I uploaded module 4. So, we're done discussing face to face the module 1 and 3 and 4 continuation. Module 4 continuation was uploaded last week. So, today, module 5 tayo. So, again, welcome to HRM 151 and TOU 052, Applied Business Tools and Technologies Module 5. So, ito po yung mga hindi natin na-discuss dahil walang pasok, dahil holiday po, and last time po na hindi available si Sir Jen for class. So, please be ready for our quiz next meeting. Okay, for our lesson title, let's talk about computing essentials. And the lesson objectives for this module is first, cite the components of computer-based information system and how they evolve and how or when they are used. So let us talk about what is computer or about computer. So a computer is a machine that can be instructed to carry out sequences of arithmetic or logical operations automatically via computer programming. Modern computers have the ability to follow generalized set of operations called programs. These are enable computers to perform an extreme wide range of tasks. So basically, when we say computer, again, it is an electronic device that actually can process information or yung mga datas natin. Meron siyang ability to store, retrieve, and process datas and information. We may already know kung ano nga ba yung mga kayang gawin ng computer. Like to type documents, mag-send tayo ng mga emails, newsletters, maglaro ng mga games, and browse the web. Mag-search lang, ganun. Ngayon kasi, pwede natin gamitin ito para mag-edit, mag-create ng mga spreadsheet natin, presentation, and even videos. So to be honest, ang computer po talaga nagpe-play siya ng vital role sa ating industry, sa hospitality and tourism industry. Not just because we use computer para ma-run natin or execute natin yung mga operations natin, mga procedures natin when it comes to hotel operations, aviation industry, and whatsoever. Okay, so computer system. A computer system are a system of interconnected computers that are shared, a central storage system, and various peripheral devices such as printers, scanner, or router. So basically, ito po yung mga sinasaksak natin, inaalis natin sa computer for us to be able to perform tasks. Like for example, yung mga pagpiprint. For example natin, internet connections, yung mga ganyan po yan. So later, isa-isahin po natin yung mga input, process, output, and storage na yan. So technically, ang definition lamang ng computer system para alam po natin, it actually has gone through a lot of formal changes dahil nga 'di ba, paiba-iba tayo ng industry. So iba-iba rin yung mga naging operating task. So a computer system is a basic complete and functional hardware. And actually software setup din siya with everything na kailangan mo to implement computer performance. Sabi ko nga yung mga printer, etc. Okay, let's talk about data. So data is fed into the system for processing, and output is processed and stored. A computer system consists of 4 parts. Yung kanina nga yun, the input, processing, output, and storage. To produce an output, ito yung mga information. A computer needs a hardware for each other process. So, computers contains various types of information which must be used to function properly. Ang impormasyon kasi, nag-i-store tayo typically ng mga simpleng data lang. Kagaya ng mga pictures, videos, movies. So, what is the meaning of data? So, kung sabi dyan, ito po ang mga system for processing. So, ang data refers po siya sa raw information na to consist po ng mga basic facts and mga figures na nilalagay po natin. Ang mga computer data kasi by definition, ini-include po nito yung mga nag-i-store siya ng mga nag-i-store ka ng mga bagay or information sa computer such as mga numerical data, images, coding, notes, and financial data. Ang data, kinakailangan po siya sa computer science para mag-process tayo ng mga program para sa coding and other computer tasks. So, CPU. So, ano natin yung mamaya pag-aaralan natin. So, let's skip that one. So kindly take a screenshot or kindly highlight this one. Please guys, do memorize yung mga conversion ng mga measurements natin, bits, nibbles, and bytes natin, analog and digital. So lahat po yan kasama sa module natin. So as you can see, hindi siya kailangan ng other discussions proper. Because yun na po yung mga equal niya. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's talk about the computer hardware. When we say computer hardware, ito po yung this is the physical equipment of computer system. So technically, ito po yung mga nahahawakan natin. Ito yung mga nakikita natin physically sa isang computer setup. So meron tayong mga hard drive, the fan, CPU, power supply. Ngayon nga guys, diba marami tayong mga example ng mga computer hardware. Meron mga umiilaw, may sariling aircon sa loob, may umuusok pa, and something like that. At that computer hardware kasi guys, can actually affect the performance ng isang computer. Especially kapag nag-handle kayo ng mga big datas, mga big, what they call this, mga gig, mga downloadables. Actually, good computer hardware, mas smooth and easier po ang magiging job natin. And of course, pag nasa hospitality industry ka, like sa hotel natin, hindi po pwede ang babagal-bagal or laging naglalag na computer. Okay, let's talk about the processing devices. So ito po yung in-skip natin kanina, the Central Processing Unit or CPU. So referred to as the brain of the computer and also called the motherboard or printer circuit board, PCB. It handles all instructions it receives from the hardware and software inputs. In CPU, the primary components are the ALU or ALU, the arithmetic logic unit that performs mathematical, logical, and decision operating, and the CU or the computer unit that directs all the processor's operation. So, ang Central Processing Unit or CPU kasi, ginaguide niya ang isang computer saan? Sa maraming various step. Like for example, problem solving. Yung mga data na nag-e-enter sa computer, galing sa input unit natin, pinaprocess siya ng CPU or Central Processing Unit natin. At pagkatapos nun, naging available po siya sa user natin through an output unit. Ang logical view ng computer shows kung ano nga ba yung function ng computer performs. Okay? So when we say video card naman, as simple as it display adapter, graphics card, or video adapter. It help us to see videos, mga visuals. So sound card, had something to do with audio output devices, sound card or audio card, para marinig po natin, para marinig din po tayo. So sound card and video card, simple as that. So when we say network interface card, it also referred to as Ethernet card and network adapter. It is an expansion card that enables computer to connect to a network or internet using Ethernet cable with RJ45 connector. So basically, ito po yung mga processing unit din po ito na kung saan makakapag-store tayo, makakapag-process tayo ng mga bagay, unlike sa mga AirDrop, mga Bluetooth, whatsoever po na iyan. And of course, through this network interface network card nito, ito na po yung natin. Mag-expand po tayo ng mga what do you call this? Storage, networks, etc. So storage device. Sorry, wait lang. Hardware. Okay. Sorry. Akala ko lang yung power presentation. Sorry guys. So let's talk about the storage devices. It is also called a digital storage media, or storage medium. Ang storage device is any hardware capable of holding information either temporarily or permanently. So ito po yung mga pinag-i-store natin ng mga file natin. Like for example, papaprint kayo. Like yung galing sa computer na file natin, ma-transfer natin siya through the use of storage devices. So we have the memory card, hard disk drive, the floppy disk, pen drive, optical disk, etc. So we have the two types of storage devices. We have the RAM and the ROM. So kindly read the definition, but let us summarize kung ano yung pagkakaiba nila. Sa RAM natin, meron tayong temporary storage. Sa ROM naman, meron tayong permanent storage. When we say RAM, ano siya? Store data in MBS or MBs. Kapag ROM naman, store data in GB or GBs. Okay? Sa RAM, So sa RAM natin, volatile siya. Sa ROM natin, non-volatile. Ang RAM natin, gumagamit tayo ng mga for normal operations. But in the other hand, when we say ROM, we use for startup process of a computer. And also, writing data is faster in RAM. And writing data is slower sa ROM natin. So, magnetic storage devices and flash memory devices. So, technically, ito po yung nag-read na tayo ng mga metallic storage. As simple as that. So, kapag flash memory naman, ito yung mga meron na tayong mga chip or mga parang SIM card-like devices na ini-insert natin sa computer para ma-read po yung mga datas, mga information natin, mga file na gusto natin na basahin ng computer po natin. So, optical storage device naman, kaya siya optical guys like eyes, di ba? So, para siyang merong sa mata natin. This uses laser and lights as its method of reading and writing of data, like CD, mga Blu-ray disc. So, yung mga old school yung mga ginagaya, pero usually ngayon kasi more on software na talaga. So, computer software. So, computer software. So, software can be defined as program used to direct operations of computer as well as documentations, giving instruction on how to use them. Software comes in three basic categories. We have the application software, system software, and programming software. So, application software is written in words, then translated into machine language by compiler or interpreter. Productivity such as processing. Spreadsheet are example of application software. Isa-isa natin siya ha. So, operating system natin, system software that manage and control the activities of the computer. It serves as the middle person. Yan yung mga function niya. Okay. When we say operating system, asan na yun? When we say software pala at first, ang software po kasi natin, in most general sense, ang software is a set of instruction that tell a computer what to do. So, an operating system or OS, it actually manages all other applications and program in computer, and it is loaded into the computer by your boot program. So, okay. Sa application software guys, to be honest, ito yung mga computer program natin na ang specific lang niya function niya is for our personal, education, and business function. Kasama na dyan yung mga email, mga Word, G Drive, and etc. natin. And when we say naman, ang next natin is system. Ang system software naman natin, ito na yung mga dinesign na po siya to run computer hardware and applications para ma-manage po natin yung mga resources. Ito na yung may kinalaman sa mga memory. Okay, so nawala tayo. So when we say system software, again nga, ito na may kinalaman sa mga hardware and applications na kung saan it actually manage the resources such as memory, processors, and devices. And when we say programming software naman, ano ito? Ang programming software po, ito yung mga mag-write tayo ng mga codes natin para for example, makagawa tayo ng mga websites, etc. And to be honest, it actually includes mga assembler, compilers, debuggers, and interpreters po. Okay. So, disk operating system. So, kindly read that one. So, focus tayo sa virus po. So, some computer viruses are programmed to harm your computer by damaging programs, deleting files, or reformatting the hard drive. Others simply replicate themselves for a plugged network with traffic, making it possible to perform any internet activity. Again, marami po tayong pinagkukuhanan or nakukuhanan ng virus. So, let's be careful next time or sa mga susunod na gagawin natin, especially when we are using the company's computer. Like, isang click mo lang yan, pwede na ma-access yung mga files po natin. So, technically saying, when we say virus, ang virus, a computer virus is an ill-natured software application or unauthored code. Okay? Na kung saan it can attach itself sa mga program na meron tayo. It can actually self-replicate, maulit or makuha, and spread itself onto other devices. When actually executed, a virus modifies other computer programs by actually inserting its code into them. If yung mga virus na replication naging successful siya, it can actually affect. Also, may consider natin siya na infected na yung computer mo with computer virus. The malicious activity carried out by virus code can damage yung mga local file system and steal data and can interrupt services natin. Yung mga download additional malware or any other actions na pwede makasira po sa negosyo nyo, sa business na meron po tayo.